Hi everyone, and once again welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Slack program or product. The program. Slack is a productivity tool or program also, and that has been created for remote collaborations between team members or members of organizations, okay, or a group, which includes also chats. Factors over 750,000 companies uses Slack to get the work done. So Slack can be used on a variety of platforms, can be used on PC, and can also be used on the mobile. So how do we get started? Okay, first thing first, go to your web browser and type in slack.com. Okay, go to the website slack.com. And you can give it go to the free trials, or you can also go to select the paid version of Slack, which has many other features. Okay, so the first thing that we are requested to do is to sign in by using our email, but also they give you the option to sign in via your Google account. Okay, so type in your email address. Putting in your email address, you click on continue. So now you have been prompted to go to your mailbox and search for an email from Slack. Okay, so because you will need to enter a 6-digit code that they sent you. Okay, now that you've received your email, look for the 6-digit code. Let me just enter it right here. Okay, and then they run the code to see if it is authentic, and then you'll reach this page here, whereby they will ask you to create a workspace. Sorry, my internet connection is rather a little bit slow today, so be patient with me. Okay, so the next thing that we are this is the first step of three steps. First thing we need to do here is to add the name of our company or our organization, or the name of our team. Okay, once we've done that, we click on next. Okay, so the next step here is to write the name of our campaign or the project we are working on. So I'll just say brainstorming project, and clicked on next. Okay, now the next step here is the last step of these three, is to add members to your team, and they call this your teammates. Okay, so you have to add the email address one by one, into the field provided. Okay, so let just me give you a few example. Okay, let's try another one. I'm just inventing some random email addresses. Oh, they didn't even let me finish. I mean, I think I pressed the wrong key. Anyway, but this is a page where we'll land after entering the name of our teammates. But we can even after reaching our dashboard here, we can always keep on going through the process of adding new names, new people to our team. So we just have to go to right here on the left side and add teammates. Okay, so this was an invitation that I sent to somebody on my team called Roger. So Roger will receive this invitation, letting him know that he's been invited to the group. So I can keep on doing the same and click on invite more people, and inviting more people, more team members to join the group. So we keep on doing this until everyone that should be on the team has been included on this under this project. Okay. Okay, so let's move down. The main function of this program is to facilitate communication within your team. All right. So on your dashboard here, there are so many different icons that you can use while you're doing your interactions. Okay, so let me show you how to proceed. Okay. So now that you have landed on your dashboard, as the creator of the page, you are the administrator. So as the administrator, you have the authority to make any changes to the group, to the channel. You can add new people, or you can delete people. You can basically regulate what goes on in this team here, in this group here, because you have the administrative privileges. Nobody else can do it. Nobody else can do what you can, basically. Okay, that's the role of an administrator. So you can create multiple channels, such as for different divisions of your organizations or for different projects. Okay, and all channel will be displayed here on the left side of the screen here. So you can click on add channel and create a new channel. Okay. And you have the option, if you want to make this channel a private channel, you just use this button here and create, and here you go, you have a new channel. So there's no limitation of how many channels you can create. Okay, because say there's a big project, so there are different groups working on the project. So it's not necessary that the people who are working in designing knows what's going on in accounting. You know what I'm saying. So you can, for one big project, you can have different channels for different to the list. this one by one. Okay, and then you press add to add the person, and then confirm. Done. Okay. So we can have as many channels as we want. Okay, so there's no limitations of how many channels you can add. Okay. So whenever you have, if ever you have new messages on the side here, on the left side here, it will be highlighted in bold, and they will tell you, they will allow you to know how many messages you have in your inbox. For instance, right now I have 3 unread messages, unread messages in my mailbox. So now I'm going to teach you how to go about this, how to write a new message. So you go up to the left side here and click on new message. Okay, just like when you're about to send an email, you go to the to section and type in the email address. But in this situation, it will, once you start typing, the first or the second letters, the name of the person that you wish to send the message to will pop up. Okay. Okay, I'm getting a bit of a problem here because I don't have. It's just for sure. I don't have any real people added to this account yet, so I just had like 4 or 5. So I might as well just click 1 or 2 of this just to show you how it works. Okay, you can add the one by one at a time. And the thing here is you can add people one by one, or you can add the whole team just by clicking on the team here, and everybody will be added, everybody will be included, will see the message that you will share. And the same applies to other users on their end. They will be able to do the same, send messages to whoever they want or to the whole team, and on your end you will be able to see the messages. Okay, now in this space here below, this is a place where we can type our message. Okay, so we've selected to send the option to send the message to the whole team for the brainstorming project. So we just type one message. Hi everyone, I have just sent the proposal. Please read and forward your inputs. Okay, so that's the message I'm going to send. So we have options here to make it in bold letters, or to add a document of our choice, the proposal that we are talking about in particular. So we'll send it as in the form of an attachment. So we have to proceed to our PC now and find the document that we want to share, and again click send message. The file is being uploaded to the system. Okay, and here it is. So everyone in the team or the selected individual will be able to see that message. Okay, it's already on the server. Okay. So as I mentioned earlier on, every new messages will appear. Any unread messages will appear here on the left side in bold with the indication in the little red circle of how many new messages are in that has been unread. Okay, so here we are now on the message board. So if I've sent a message and somebody has read the message, they have to click on complete, so I will know that they've read the message. The same thing applies if somebody sends me a message. I have to click on complete to give the indication that I have read the message. Okay. There are at least 4 different options that we're going to have a look right now. Have a look at. Okay. Then the next one is to indicate that you took a look at the document, at the message that was sent. And again, this works for everybody. You can ask as a team member, you know who has completed, who has had a look at the document, and also you can just send a friendly message and say, "Nicely done. The project the proposal looked great." Okay. And you can hit also reply and reply to any message that has been sent. So hit reply, and this dialog box will open on the right side of your screen. You can just say hi. These are great ideas, and hit send message, and your message has been sent, and for the whole team to see, or to the particular individuals that you have sent the message to. Okay, so sending a message is very easy, and there's nothing complicated about it. Okay. So I think that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for being patient and for paying attention, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.